Alright, how we doing, boys? This is how I lost $2,000 today trading Nasdaq. Just got done trading now. Took 3 trades today actually, and I'll go over all of them in a sec. So, if we go over to my micro chart, got a quick stop on this. Only lost around 240. I closed early because we were flipping bullish, and then I took this. Actually, no, I'll tell you what, before we do all this, right, let's go into the bias on the day. Then we'll go over the executions. So, bias, I'm trading PM session today because I was in work for the AM, and obviously a Friday PM session is just dog shit. Coming into 2 PM, to me, this AM session low looks super obvious. We're just selling off on the 15-minute chart, clear displacement lower. We had this 15-minute gap opened up. Zooming into a 5-minute, we had this 5-minute. So this is where the first trade idea came from. Zooming into a 1. 2 PM opens, we start moving higher. That's what I want to see from a 2 PM open, 2 PM open high. ES ended up actually respecting this gap, I believe. Yeah, it closed on it, so you know. On top of that, we had a bearish SMT. There we go, bearish SMT. Shift in structure. And then we pull back to this gap. So I'm short there. Stops at this high. Targeting that AM session low. So this gets ran through. I lost around 240. So there's still room on the table. At this point, I'm like, cool, okay. Well, this 5 minutes getting respected. This bullish 5 down here. And then there's an internal buy model here. So we have market structure shift. And then I entered early because ES ended up trading into its gap here on this candle. My fill was like here. Alright. Stops. Oh shit. Stops are at this low, keeping it nice and tight. Then I was break even at the 15-minute and looking for these equal highs. Wait, I fucked this up. Sorry, no. My fill's down here. Stops was here. And I used this as the shift through that internal swing high. Go and break even at this 15-minute. And then looking for a follow through, looking for them equal highs set up top because I don't like seeing NQ leave equal highs. I got stopped with a break even after we put in that SMT. Stopped the break even there. Then we have clear displacement lower. I'm like, cool, let's just wait and see what the 5-minute wants to do. Because at this point we're just respecting bullish, then we're respecting bearish, we're inversing bullish, so patient. We open up a 5-minute fair value gap. We wait for that to get traded into. Got these equal highs that we just put in. Wait for that to get taken. There we go. Then we get clear and obvious displacement to the downside. Opened up a small little 1-minute. I know it's small, but nonetheless, it's there. And there's clear displacement there. I was confident. And then, yeah, we trade up into it. And we get stopped. So that's where we're at now. Going to be real quick with today. I want to get off the charts. But, yeah, man. Shitty price action. We've been going sideways all day, to be honest. For a Friday, I probably should just left these charts alone since we're going sideways. And just done some other shit with my day. But, you know, it is what it is. Here's the P&L. $2,000. And yeah, it is what it is. So this draw on liquidity was actually correct. ES is getting there. Man. Don't know how I could have done better with this. I mean, ES inversed this gap after taking out this internal low. This gap got inversed. We pull back to this gap. Zooming into a 1-minute, and then the 1-minute models here. We get a shift above this high, tap into the gap. Now we're coming for this high. So, yeah, shorts after this got taken was probably not a great idea, but I like that 5-minute chart. But I mean, I don't see anything wrong with this, honestly. I wanted to see this low. S&T at the highs. We obviously just got caught offside today, but yeah. Could I have got a better? Let's see what this long one did. So, so I think we're stop's like down here, covering that gap. Risk to reward isn't good enough there. My first target was this high. It got edged. I was going to take 4 contracts off there and then leave a runner to equal highs, but and obviously after this huge displacement to the downside, I liked shorts after that. Yeah, man. Again, this is a classic Ice T 1 drive, 2 drive, 3 drive, start buying up. And this ended up being a buy model to the upside. But, you know, it is what it is. I think we're still up on the week, so, you know, it is what it is. We'll come back to it next week, and we'll carry on going through it. So, yeah, done for the day, logging off. Let's clear the charts up. And, yeah, that's it for the week, boys. Shitty way to end it, because we took a loss yesterday, but, you know, it's all good. We'll just keep managing risk and keep on plodding through. So, yeah, it is what it is. All right, boys. I'll catch you next week.